Summer is almost here, and with it, a wave of eager online shoppers looking for the hottest must-haves of the season. But the big question is, what products can actually become your summer bestseller? And that's exactly why I made this video, because today I'm revealing the 9 top performing eBay products for summer, all backed by real data, high demand, and proven sales. Whether you're just getting started or scaling up your store, these products can give your business the summer boosts that it needs, all right? So let's just boost your store this summer. And stick around to the end, because the last product in this list has already generated thousands and thousands in profit and shows strong signs of becoming one of the best finds for any dropshipping store. All right, so let's just dive in right now. Okay, so since it's summer, let's start this list off on the right foot. And there's nothing more summer ready than no-show socks, all right? So slip-ons without, ruining the whole look and seeing the socks on it. So people are buying them in bundles, especially with all, the travel gym sessions and daily wear in hot weather and so on. So these is a good idea always to source in bundles. Now, they are very cheap to source, easy to ship, and it's the kind of product that practically sells by itself, all right? And trust me, everyone needs more of these in their drawer, and your store should have them too. So I went ahead and I found this product on eBay right here, this one, and selling for $8.99. And then when I analyzed the seller with ZIK's competitor research tool, I can see right here, guess what? That this product has already sold 516 times, all right? 516 times. And with the help of ZIK Analytics, I was also able to find the same exact product on AliExpress selling for $2.71 plus $1.99 for shipping. So this means that for this simple product right here, the eBay dropshipper that's selling it is making around $4 after eBay fees on each sale. And come on, with 516 sales since this product was listed, this dropshipper gained over $2,064. Very simple to find and super easy to sell. Anyway, let's keep moving forward. All right, let's go. There's many more products ahead of us. And the next product that I want to show is this one right here, okay? It's a must-have for every public or private swimming pool, the swim ring. I bet you have seen these before, because they're very easy to use, easy to sell, and in high demand. So don't miss the opportunity to list a product that solves a real seasonal need. All right, so I went ahead and then I found this product right here on eBay selling for $19.99. And then when I analyzed with ZIK Analytics, with ZIK's competitor research tool, this product has already sold 40 times since it was listed. And then I was able to source the exact same product on Walmart. And look for how much. Do you see that, my friends? For half of the price. Only $9.62 with free shipping. Running some calculations, I can see that if I was to list this product, this item, I should be expecting a profit of around $6 after each sale. All right, after eBay fees, by the way. Now, remember that the seller already made 40 sales, correct? So in total, if I would have, the same number of sales, I would have already made a total profit of $240. Now, keep in mind that at the time that I'm recording this video right here, it's still not the peak of the hot season. So this product will take off completely in about 3 or 4 weeks from now, all right? So keep an eye on this product. Seriously, this is the time to list your store. And before we jump into the next product, let me know, what are you enjoying these products so far? If you are, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more top product videos just like this one. And again, always, if you want to use the same tools, these amazing tools that I've been using to find winning products, you can try ZIK Analytics for just $1 for the first week, my friends. Come on, give it a try. Let me know what you think, all right? Just $1. Now, our next product, look at this. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be these swimming goggles. You know, parents need them, kids need them, you know, swimmers need them for training. You know, people traveling around their holidays, vacations, they want them for fun. What I'm trying to say is that they are small, they are practical, and buyers often grab more than one. So you know, it's easy to list, it's easy to sell. Ah, my God, I'm saying it's just perfect for summer. And right here, you see this on eBay. I found these ones right here, selling for $19.99. And then when I analyzed the seller with ZIK's competitor research tool, I could see that right here, you know, 42 sales already. And this one was very easy to find, guys. Like using ZIK Analytics, I was able to source it from AliExpress for just, look at this, $6.71 plus $1.99 for shipping. And I just found something here that is not quite the same, but that doesn't really, you know, make a difference in this situation, because if you notice, the product is exactly the same, but just the bag is different. You see that? Like the bag's a bit different, so it won't really make a difference here. So guys, what I'm trying to say again is that for each sale, how much do you think we're earning here in profit? About $7 in profit. That's over 30% profit margin. So in total, you're looking at $287 profit since this product has been listed on eBay. And here as well, like the full sales potential of this product is expected to spike in a few weeks as we enter the beginning of summer. So as you're watching this video, this is the perfect moment to list this to your store. So let's not waste your time. Let's go next product. We have tripod. All right. Why? You know, why tripod? Well, that's a valid question, because summer means travel, right? Vlogs, outdoor shoots, and people need tripods to just capture it all. Whether it's for phones or cameras, a solid tripod is a must-have for creators, tourists, and even small businesses, you know? It's just a practical product with a strong perceived value, and it sells well when framed as a tool, not just a gadget. So keep that in mind when you list it, all right? So yeah, I was able to find this item right here on eBay, selling for $30.95. When I analyzed with ZIK's competitor research tool, I saw that this item was sold 1,281 times, all right? You know, in a blink of an eye, I was able to find this product selling on Amazon for only, look at this, $17.99. And guys, this is the exact same product. It leaves a profit for each sale of around $6.50 after eBay fees. And since it has already sold for 1,281 times, this product generated $8,326 in profit to the dropshipper on eBay that's selling it. You know, it's crazy. It's crazy. Now let's go. Let's see the next product right here. And we have this anti-theft backpack. And again, summer equals travel season, right? You've been there, I've been there. You know, with travel comes one big concern, which is keeping valuables safe, you know, especially if you're taking cameras and laptops and, you know, important documents and things like that. So that's exactly why this anti-theft backpack sells well, all right? Able to spot this product on eBay, this one right here, for $41.95. And when I analyzed the seller with ZIK's competitor research tool, I saw that this product right here was sold already 1,454 times since it was listed, okay? Now, for this one, I tried to come up with a different example to show you guys. I was able to find the exact same item on Amazon, but there was not much profit, all right? So luckily for me, I was able to find a product that is very, very, very similar on Amazon with the same qualities. Right, it's this one right here, and it's selling for only $29.99. You see that? And that leaves me with the opportunity to generate around $4 after each sale. And you may be, you know, thinking, hey, that's not much, right? But if you multiply that by the number of sales, you will end up with a total profit of around $5,816. Our next product, this one right here, is this automatic water dispenser. Right? It's adorable. And summer heat means pets need extra hydration too, all right? They're little cute, adorable creatures need water, right? So an automatic water dispenser makes it easy for owners to keep their pets cool and healthy all day, every day, especially during hot days of summer. So pet owners are always looking for ways to care for their animals, especially when temperatures rise. I was able to find this product right here on eBay selling for $23.31. When I analyzed the seller with ZIK's competitor research tool, I saw that this product has already 320 sales. And again, with help of ZIK, I was able to find this item very quickly on Walmart. Look at this. All right, you see this? And it's selling for what? For $5.32 plus $5 shipping. So that, my friends, leaves me a profit after each sale of around $8. You know what I mean? So in total, the eBay dropshipper of this product has already profited around $2,560 since added this product to his eBay store. It's a pretty solid product and I really recommend it. Now let's go to the next product, because it's this one right here. It's this outdoor firework lights. All right, nothing sets the mood for summer nights like the outdoor lights, seriously. And these ones basically, they just steal the show. Fireworks style lights are just bright, unique, and perfect for, you know, outdoor areas, parties or backyard setups and everything, because they are eye-catching, they are decorative, and buyers love how easy they are to install, and it just looks really cool. You know, this is where things start to get interesting. So I was able to find this product on eBay selling for $25.37 with an already amazing 177 sales made since this product has been listed. Okay, and right away I was able to find the same exact product selling on AliExpress for $14.70 with free shipping. And I would be making around $5.50 after each sale, and the total profit of $973. All right, and the interesting part, this is just the beginning. This is gonna go crazy. This product's gonna sell so well in the next months. All right, you know, but anyway, let's go here to the next product. It's gonna be this vacuum sealer bags. Summer means, you know, bulk shopping, grilling, meal prep, leftovers, all that stuff. So vacuum sealer bags help keep it all fresh. They're practical, they're affordable, and people always need more of them. So I was able to find this product on eBay right here selling for $23.99. And honestly, what amazed me here is that this item already has over 13,000 sales since listed on eBay. That's right, 13,000 sales. And I wasn't able to find the exact product, but I went with the same strategy that I went with the backpack before. I just looked for an item that fitted the characteristics and that I could source it for cheaper. So I found this item right here on Amazon. Look at that, my friends. You see that? You know, it's selling for $16.89, and listing this item would mean that I could be expecting a profit of around $3.50 for each sale. This further proves that using similar products technique can be a strategic move for any eBay dropshipping business. Really, really, really. All right, guys, we've made to the final product, the one that you've been waiting for, and trust me, it's a summer bestseller you don't want to miss. Please. So before we wrap it up, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. It means a lot to me and to everyone here. All right. Okay, so the last product is just crazy. The product is cargo shorts, because they're lightweight, they're comfortable, and loaded with pockets. Cargo shorts are made for summer. You know, from casual wear to outdoor activities, people want clothes that are functional and breathable. And this is a product that moves fast when the weather heats up. You know, you just have to list a few variations, and then you're set. You're set for summer. Really, I was able to find this item selling on eBay right here for $18.99. And then when I checked the total sales of this product on eBay using ZIK's competitor research tool, I saw that it was sold 798 times since it was listed. Now, very quickly I was able to find the exact exact product, my friends, selling on AliExpress for only $6.95 plus $1.99 for shipping, because it's AliExpress choice product, right? That it's priced less than $10. In total, I can source it for $8.94, leaving me a profit of around $6 after each sale. Now, remember guys, this item has sold 798 times, which means that this dropshipper on eBay, that's selling this product has already made, from this product alone, $4,788 in profit after eBay fees. All right, so almost $5,000 in profit after eBay fees, and this is just the beginning. This is the insane part. The next weeks, this is gonna go crazy. All right, it's gonna double, triple the sales here. It's insane, yes. All right, so there you have it, the 9 hot eBay products that are built to perform well this upcoming summer. And these aren't just like random picks. Each one is backed by solid sales data, solves a real need, rides the seasonal wave, and gives you a strong chance to boost your sales fast. All right, so please go ahead and add these products to your dropshipping store. Let me know in the comments below how they perform. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and again, keep moving forward, and see you next time.